Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla. Haka ar punyo tarik Risaw ar hajar ar puar, Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma, ryngkat ke jingsynran lang jong Myntri Bah D P Wahlang Ma Sniawbhalang Dhar, Chief Secretary ke jylla Bah D P Wahlang, bat kiwei ki ophisar sorkar, kila Leit ban jngoh Jaka, kiba Shillong Township, ban Jurip, halor ke Jaka ke Paka, ban tarik ke Meghalaya Secretariat, Iaka thmu, ban thymmai katei ke thain kapsor. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor, Conrad Sangma leathu, bakatei ke Jaka kabadan kumba arspa arpau akar, kalong kabala ibiang bantau ke Meghalaya Secretariat ke thymmai, bat ru kiwei de kitanat office sorkar, ia.ki ansapan kenriano, katei ke Jaka. Ula ong shushu, baya katei ke thmu ke sorkar, ondang hab banya merjing mut bat berkat bah, haswa bantei, Iaka Jaka kam ki Myntri ke jylla, bat kiwei de ki he ophisar sorkar. Kaju kasni Conrad Sangma ula Leit ban Jurip Iaka Sicpac lani ke Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture hamau ke siang. Iaka ke Jaka la beitengka da ke Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region bat ke Ministry of Tribal Affairs jong ke sorkar pedeng. Leathu ba ke Sicpac kan long ke wei ni ki Jaka ka thain katei la mi ingi, ha ka ba onla ban penne pensa ban kentiu bat peni perthai ki riti ki dustur ternrai upat ba ke jylla. Latei katei ke Jaka kerpang ka ba kenthop ki Leit ki rinsan ne theater, ka wei ke open air amphitheater, ki Jaka shongkai ba Jaka bam na kebenta ki he ki hain sorkar. Ka Sicpac ya kabala thmu ban ple ba haswa ban kot usnam ar hajar ar puar ka kenthop ru ya ka Jaka peit kai kabadon kumba shi hajar nyos pa tali ki Jaka shong bat ki kor jing pensawa bat penmisur kiba bhatam.
We have come here to visit in this Maujanjang area, this Maupat area and Maukasing area, to see the possibility of shifting the entire secretariat and government departments to this land. We have two options in front of us. One is in the Maupadang area, and one is in this area where we are right now. And we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us, and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments. So some rearrangement will have to be done, and we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for the Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administrating can also go to the Maupadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which of course is a bit early to right now explain, because we are in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new secretariat can come in this area, and we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, And once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive, and as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied. So within the next couple of weeks, as I said, we should be able to take a final decision. Thank you.